Hello friends! Today we are going to be learning a new note, E. And if you see on my screen right here, your screen in the video, I have the green belt up here. So we need this new note, E, right here in order to play the green belt. So if you don't have your recorder with you right now, pause the video and go get your recorder because you will need it. And then we're going to start learning how to play the new note, E. If we look here, at our fingering charts, you can't really see the G. We know G, thumb, 1, 2, 3 covered up, sounds like this. If you have your recorder, go ahead and play that with me. Here we go. Then to get our A, thumb, 1, 2, so no ring finger there. This is our A. Play that one with me. Here we go. Awesome. And then the last one on this page is our B, which is just thumb and your pointer finger. Sounds like this. Play it with me. Here we go. Great job. Now, quick reminder, which hand goes on top of your recorder? I hope you said your left hand. Your left hand goes on top. And for our new note E, instead of holding on to my recorder at the bottom, we're actually going to need our right hand for our new note E. So this page, this is the fingering for our new note E. You see on here we have our thumb, and then 1, 2, 3. Then this is your right hand. So if I hold my recorder back up, I have my thumb, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put my finger over this first hole and the second hole. So I have my first finger and my second finger, and I have all of those holes covered up. Now this note, you have to use very slow warm air, just like we've talked about, but this one is even lower sounding, so you need lots of slow warm air. Listen to this E. I'm barely pushing any air through my recorder. Slow warm air. So get your fingers ready. You have thumb, 1, 2, 3 of your top hand, or your left hand, and then your first finger and your second finger here on your left hand. So once you have those fingers right, you can look at them if you need to. Let's try to play it. Here we go. Ready? Play. Awesome. Now, if you were getting any squeaking sounds, we've talked about this, make sure that your fingers, you have those Cheerios on all of your fingers, make sure that your holes are all the way covered up, because if they're not, you're going to get some crazy sounds. So make sure that your holes are all the way covered up. If that doesn't work, try some slower, warm air. Remember, we need to have extra warm, slow air for this one. So let's try it again. We have our E covered up here. Awesome. Now what I want you to do is we're going to play our G and then E. G, E. And we're going to play G, E, G, E. So G, E, G, E. Play that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome. If you didn't get it the first time, that's all right. We're going to do it again. Here we go. Let's try it one more time. G, E, G, E. 1, 2, ready, go. You heard me even squeak there. I forgot to get my holes all the way covered up. Now, if you want extra practice with this, go back, rewind the video a few seconds, and watch that part again and practice your G, E, G, E over and over and over again until you can do it really, really well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use our tongue. Remember, to stop the air, we need to use our tongue. Say 2, 2, 2. And I want you to play 4 E's in a row with me. So 4 E's using your tongue to stop the air. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome. Let's try that again. 4 E's, nice and slow. 1, 2, ready, go. Now this one, like I said, you have to be very careful with your air. You hear it. I'm even squeaking sometimes. It happens. It's not the end of the world. So what I want you to do, if you need to go back and watch this video again, you can. If you're ready to move on, you've got that E down really, really well. Awesome. Now, I'm going to play B, A, G, and then an E. So here it is again. B, A, G, and then an E. Listen. Try that with me. So we're playing B, A, G, E. 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome. Let's try it again. Same thing. 1, 2, ready, go. Very good. All right, so you can keep practicing that E if you need to. Then remember, this is what we're going for, to be able to play the green belt. So you see up here at the top, our pitches, we have E, G, and A. Those are the only notes that we have in this song, so there's no B that we just played. But you go from G to E a lot of the times, and even back up to an A. So when you come back to class, we're going to be working on the green belt. It's raining. And it's really going to help if you already have that low note E mastered and you can go back and forth between your G and your E really, really fast. So like I said, if you need extra practice, go back, watch this again. If you want to pause the video here, you can see that it's raining. If you want to get a little head start, you can. But this is what we'll be doing next in class, is learning how to play It's Raining with that new note E. So practice your new note E, and I will see you in class for It's Raining. Thanks for watching.